Welcome to our deep dive into a pressing issue: why teachers leave the education field. Across the globe, educators are stepping away from their classrooms, a trend that's raising concerns. Imagine dedicating your life to shaping young minds, only to find the reality of teaching far different from what you envisioned. Teachers enter the profession with passion, ready to inspire. However, they often face overcrowded classrooms, where the individual needs of students become challenging to meet. This scenario isn't just a number, it's about real students losing out on personalized education. Then, there's the daunting aspect of insufficient resources. Picture trying to nurture curiosity without the basic tools. It's like being asked to paint a masterpiece without a brush. Compensation is another critical factor. Despite the significant responsibility they bear, many teachers find their paychecks don't reflect the value of their work, leading to financial strain. Lack of administrative support can feel like navigating a ship without a compass. Teachers thrive on guidance and recognition, yet when these are absent, their morale sinks. The pressure to adhere to standardized testing protocols often stifles creativity. Teachers wish to spark imagination, but rigid benchmarks can quash innovative teaching methods. Work-life balance seems like a myth for many in the teaching profession. The long hours grading and planning eat into personal time, leaving little room for self-care. Bullying and a lack of discipline within the school environment can erode the joy of teaching. Managing disruptive behavior often overshadows educational goals, causing stress and burnout. Professional growth opportunities might be scarce, leaving teachers feeling stagnant. The desire for development and new challenges is natural, yet many find such paths blocked. Despite these challenges, many teachers still hold on to the hope of making a difference. But without systemic changes, the exodus might continue, robbing students of potential mentors. Addressing these issues is crucial for retaining passionate educators. It's time to rebuild the teaching environment into one where teachers feel valued, supported, and inspired to stay.